To convert UAD-2 plugins to UADx in Luna, first make sure to update Luna to the current version. Then, open the plugins within your session that you would like to convert. You will know if the plugin is currently using UAD-2 processing by looking at the small bar at the bottom of the plugin window. Then, navigate to the plus menu at the top left of the plugin and select UADx from the dropdown. You will instantly see the UAD-2 bar removed from the bottom of the plugin, and your computer's processing will now power the plugin instead of your Apollo or DSP accelerator. You will also see your DSP processing meter lower than before. To convert it back, select UAD-2 from the same menu as before, and you will see the UAD-2 bar reappear, as well as your DSP meter increase again. Also, if you would like to convert all available UAD-2 plugins to UADx at the same time, navigate to the mixing menu in the top left of the screen and select Convert UAD-2 plugins to UADx. As you can see, both the LA2A as well as the Pultec plugins converted, but the Ocean Way Studios plugin did not. This is because currently only selective plugins are able to be converted. However, having the ability to offload processing to my Mac Studio with a number of commonly used plugins can really help free up DSP for more processing-intensive plugins that can't run natively, and since I recently transitioned from an Apollo Quad to an Apollo Solo, this has helped a lot. You can find the full list of currently available UADx plugins on Universal Audio's website, and hopefully they all become available at some point. The cool thing is, if you already own a UAD-2 plugin, the UADx version becomes available immediately, or as soon as you run a software update. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please consider subscribing, and please leave a comment if you have any questions. You can also find a current affiliate link list of the gear I use in the description, which really helps support my channel. Thanks.